Clipping masks in Illustrator allow you to create a kind of a magic window through which you only see certain parts of an object or a collection of objects. So if I paste a circle on top of this blend, I can select both the circle and the blend, then go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make, and now I only see the parts of the blend that were behind the circle. With the white arrow, let's see if I can do this. With the white arrow I can, it doesn't work with the blend. Let's try this again. If I double click on the clipping mask, I enter the isolation mode, and now I can select that blend and move it independently of the circle. I can also, with the white arrow, select parts of that blend and change the stroke color of one of the two strokes I've blended. To get back to my regular stage, I click out of isolation mode. To release the clipping mask, I just select it and then go Object, Clipping Mask, Release, or Command Option 7, and I'm basically back where I started. The object that I used to make a clipping mask forgets what fill color it had, but that's fine. I'm done with it for now. If I have type that I want to use as a clipping mask, and if it's multiple letter forms, I might need to be a little more careful, because if I just select these two letter forms and the blend in the background and say Object, Clipping Mask, Make, it only makes a clipping mask of the frontmost object. So the G and the blend got put into the R, which became the clipping mask. If I group these, Object, Group, you might think it would work, but it probably won't. Object, Clipping Mask, Make. Now nothing's happening. I can't really make a clipping mask of a group, but if I ungroup these and make them a compound path, now I can select that compound path and the blend and make them into a clipping mask. Whoops, I need to select them both. Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And now I've got a blend inside my letter forms. Again, if I double click, I can access an isolation mode and move that blend around within the letter forms, or select one of the strokes and change its fill color, or select both of them. But clipping masks are the final tool in making textures applied to parts of highlights, drop shadows, or just regular fill sections of letter forms when you're doing custom letter form and typography design.